AVerMedia, AI streaming.
Hi everyone, I'm Chang Hong from AVerMedia. Today we are unboxing the AVerMedia AI Fusion Kit. This is an all-in-one solution designed for speech AI, LLM, and VLM development at the edge. If you're looking for a way to get started with AI without the usual setup headaches, this might be exactly what you need. This kit comes with NVIDIA Jetson. This powerful platform can handle vision language model applications and real-time speech AI all at the same time, right out of the box. No complicated setup required. Inside, you'll find 3 devices: the AI box, the 4K web camera, and AI speakerphone. They've all been tested for compatibility, so you don't have to worry about driver issues or hardware mismatches. The Fusion Kit includes an optimized software stack and reference applications. This provides an end-to-end workflow, making it easy to build, test, and deploy AI applications faster with greater confidence. Our speakerphone also features built-in AI noise reduction and echo cancellation, so your audio comes through clearly, which is well-suited for language model development, giving your projects both clarity and precision. Whether you are building a proof of concept, creating a demo, or running research projects, this kit is ready to go. Now, let's boot it up and see what's inside.
Let's start with the first demo. So this is a live image captioning application built with AVerMedia software stack. You can select the camera, the microphone, and the speaker here. You can also edit some control like brightness, contrast, etc. Let's go to the Models tab. So a key point is that all the AI models run locally on the device. You can monitor their status here. I'll start the inference now. You can see the result is over here. Because I set the prompt to how many people are in the image, so it's counting the person. I can also change the prompt here. VLM is versatile. You can do many different tasks, like what animal do you see? Now you can see the model is looking for animals in the camera feed. Let's show you some pictures. Yeah, it's a rabbit. It's a dog. And we can also update the prompt with voice, like,
I'm listening.
what is the man wearing?
What is the man wearing?
And now you can see the model is describing my wearing now. Okay, so for the second demo, we have a conversational AI that can hear and see. Again, all the models are running locally on the device. So let's start the conversation. Hi, how do I look today?
You look well today. How can I assist you further?
Besides me, what else do you see in this room?
In the room, there's a television set on a stand and a shelf with various items. There's also a lamp standing next to the television.
Okay, to sum it up, the AI Fusion Kit is truly plug and play. It saves your time, helps you prototype quickly, and shortens the path from idea to real product. If you want to learn more, check out our developer portal or get your own Fusion Kit today. Let's build the future of AI together.
AVerMedia, AI streaming.